Hello, my loves. It's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be planning for the last week of April. This is my wellness planner. It is Wild Styled Classic Size Happy Planner. I know it's a mouthful, and I am going to be using the Beauty in Floral sticker book. I have been using the same sticker book all month long. So here we go. I am going to start placing some stickers down. While I am doing that, I wanted to say thank you. If you are already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And if you are new here, welcome. I am so glad you found me. Don't forget to write a quick little message underneath so I can say hello and welcome you to the channel. Okay, so I have used, this is the fourth spread, I think, with this sticker book, or fifth, and I still have so many stickers left. It is unbelievable how many spreads you can do with one book. So I'm just pulling some checklists right now, and those will be my meal trackers for that week. So I do track breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, and my supplements. So that's kind of where all of these will live for the next week. And I can't seem to get it on straight. And I am going to disperse them in different areas of the pages. I kind of like them scattered, so we will go from there. Okay, I'm using one green one, all of the rest of them are dark. And if I really don't like it, I will switch it, but I'm gonna add some boxes and see how this looks. But look how beautiful this sticker is. You make the world a more beautiful place. Okay, and I'm gonna add a little section for gratitude. Those are always so great to have. It is good to fill those out. So here we go. And I want it pretty close to the edge. I am looking for a flower to kind of put it underneath the sticker. And I will take a blue one. I am going to be also erasing this line to make sure that my flower can stay as much intact as possible without anything seeping through in there. So here we go. It's going a little bit outside of the lines, but I think I might keep it that way. I think it's fun and whimsical and pretty. I want to do something similar on the other side. I think it will be really pretty if I do that. Okay, let's see if I can add this note section in there like so, especially because I do want it horizontally. And let's add this big blue flower right there, and again removing the lines. So as you can see, there's nothing showing through. I am going to cut this because it does bug me how much of the Tuesday it has taken. And if I'm doing that, might as well cut the other side as well and keep it a little bit more uniformed. So I'm going to take my tweezers and remove those pieces. And that one is super small. There we go. And then the other side. And let's see what that looks like when I remove it, whether the sticker will look like it's missing something. Not really, it looks pretty good. And I can use the pieces, and we had no waste whatsoever, which is awesome when you can do that. Okay, I'm gonna add a little flower to Monday. And again, I'm going to cut it so it stays within box. I am so happy with these really deep blue florals. Happy Planner doesn't give us very many blue anything, so when I saw this, I knew this is perfection, especially with my aesthetic. So here we go. This is practically over and done with, and I hope you guys enjoyed this plan with me. Let me go ahead and add maybe one more thing. Maybe let's add one of those white flowers in here. But I don't think that works. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this plan with me. Let me know what you guys think. Let me show you all of my spreads as I do film this. All of the spreads at the beginning of the month with one book. So let me go ahead and show you. So we have the first week, second week, third week, fourth week, and this is the fifth week. I hope you guys enjoyed planning with me, and I can't wait to show you what it looks like after the pen. Have a great week, and thanks for watching!